Step into the world of texture with golden paints and the Organic Nature Arts class. Join this 8-hour decorative arts course to explore the art of Venetian plaster, sophisticated grass cloth, and bold stenciling with natural textures. Robin Belisle, who started her decorative painting career in 1998, will instruct the Organic in Nature Decorative Arts class. Here is Robin providing an overview of how the class will operate.
I will put the base coat, that being this right here. I will put that on at home before I bring them. Nobody needs to have to do a base coat in class. Then the texture, the area which is making these linear lines, that's a texture layer that needs an adequate amount of time to dry. So that we will do very first. We'll lay it out to dry, and then we'll move on to, say, a beginning layer of something like this. So everything is, choreographed according to what the dry time is, how long does it need to dry, how many layers we have to get done on it, so it's a bit of a puzzle, but it all works out.
Today's trends emphasize simplicity with warm, rich colors and abundant textures. In this class, we will utilize the exquisite Golden Paintworks collection to craft 7 elegant yet straightforward samples essential for any modern portfolio. Enroll now at idal.org.